Hi, everybody. Laura Jane here. I wanted to jump on this evening with a couple high ticket items because Spin is doing a promotion for you, 50% off. Yes, 50 off of your purchase with code March50. I will put the code in the chat so you don't worry, you don't have to remember. And this particular product is called the English Rose Exfoliator from the brand derm.one. And I just used this before my shower this evening. And I'm very impressed with this product. This is probably about the fourth time I have used it. And what's really unique about it is that it's a cream texture. So it's not a gel exfoliator. It's a really nice, thin, creamy texture. And the micro beads in there are very, very teeny tiny. So you're getting almost like a really mellow microdermabrasion without any sensitivity. So it's not so rough like a microderm that you're going to be really red afterwards. And the rose in there really helps with inflammation and calming. Some of the ingredients in here there is ginseng, which is fantastic for energizing the skin, so will help to even out any texture, give a little bit of extra glow and boost to the skin. There is an aloe leaf juice and turmeric in there, and that is really great for helping with inflammation and redness, so it's really good for calming and evening out the tone as far as redness goes with the skin. There is argan, there is sea buckhorn, there's a rose oil in here as well, which are great for nourishing and soothing, helping with any fine lines, helping with collagen and elastin, so helping to kind of boost the skin and plumping it from the lower levels up. And then these little micro beads are taking away any of the dead skin surface cells. So you're getting all of those really great skincare ingredients helping to boost the skin from underneath while you're getting that little micro exfoliation from the top. So really, when you're done with this product, your skin does look very, very glowy. I do have a little concealer on, but I really don't have much foundation on. So, gives a good glow, this product here. And with the deal with Spin, you're getting an extra 50% off. So normal price here, $34. So you are getting half off of that as well. Fast math? $17. My dad's doing fast math for me over in the corner, visiting my parents here. And this product you only use, and I would say I have used it once. Okay, so maybe I didn't read the full directions the first time and did it on drier skin. I would not suggest that. It it's a little bit more active if you do it on dry skin. So it said damp skin. One time I kind of spritzed my face with the rose water before I did it. And then today I did it right after I washed my face in the shower. And I will say that way was the best for me. I found it to be it left my skin the smoothest, and I was just able to not have like any irritation afterwards. Not that it was irritating, but if you do a little bit harder of a scrub on a dry skin, you might experience a little redness. So give your face a good cleanse, keep it pretty damp, couple little drops of that. Massage it in there, and it is just beautiful. Hi, Alex. It's just beautiful, glowy skin from there on out. And don't forget, with code March50, you are getting 50% off your purchase. So if you need a new exfoliator, this is the one you should get because that is a great price. Hi, thank you. That is very sweet. I'm telling you, this exfoliator, it's really given me some good glow here. Sorry, I'm getting text messages coming through now too, guys. All right, that's all I got for you for tonight. So you can click my profile for all of the other products I have on the platform currently. You can ask me any questions in the chat. Happy shopping, code March50. And I know if you're looking for the clutch charger, I think it is already sold out. So I apologize for that. But anywho, I will talk to you guys real soon. All right, have a good one, and happy shopping.